Let's beat this face. What's good in the hood? It's your girl Gavyn here. Welcome back to my channel to day 2 of Vlogmas. Now all of my vlogs clearly won't be vlogs. They'll just be a lot of holiday content based videos, but they will be happening every day. I think at the end of the week I will be doing like a general vlog of what I did that week, maybe on Sunday. We'll see. If that's something you're interested in, let me know down in the comments below. If you're new to my channel, my name is Gavyn and I do a little bit of fashion, a little bit of makeup, and a lot of bit of nonsense. I'm so glad you decided to join me today. Today, we're gonna be trying this smoky eye halo situation. I thought it looked really fun and holiday themed, and we only need one palette for it. I hope it's the Jackie Aina x Anastasia of the Beverly Hills Palette. If you're excited for some new holiday content, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. That way I know to keep on creating more awesome videos like this one for you guys. And of course, if you're new, I would love it if you could join my community of cousins, or the cousin community as I like to call y'all. So go ahead and hit that subscribe. Join in because we are family. I got all my cousins and me, and I want to get my numbers up. I can't even lie. I would love to have some more subscribers because I don't have enough cousins, and we're trying to make this family bigger because I got a reunion I want to get to. You know what I'm saying? We're going to have a cookout. We're going to party. Oh, I want to preface this by saying it is winter time. I have a skin care routine video that I did a couple months ago. It still holds true, but just make sure you're really moisturizing as we're getting into these makeup looks. You want to make sure your skin is nice and supple and moisturized because in the winter time it gets very, very dry, which can make all of this stuff gross and cakey. I also like to use a BB cream instead of a really heavy full coverage foundation just because it's going to continue to add moisturizer. Today, I'll be using the Maybelline BB cream. I use it in a medium deep sheer tint. I hope that helps in your makeup journey. Let's get into this mess. I have this song downloaded. Hey, 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 yeet. That is pretty. Wow. Oh, we're getting right into it already. Prime, slow down. Okay, I have the Urban Decay Eye Shadow Primer. She's using a brush to put hers on. You could probably also use just like a concealer. I think that works. Hers has color to it. Mine is definitely a lot more sheer, but I don't think that's gonna hurt it. Bruh. Okay, what do we do after we prime?
Paintball face all day.
What is that?
She wasn't ready.
An eyeshadow guard. Oh, I can use some tape. Bam! How are we sticking this?
Guideline for your eyeliner.
Okay, she just kind of put it on her eye, but she said it can help with your like winged, okay. Ow! Not on the lashes. Tape works! See, you don't have to go out there and buy that stuff. You can just use what you have, y'all. Use what you have. Oh, I need to do something about these eyebrows. Give me a second. Ow. All right, now that our eyebrows look as red as Holly's, let's continue on with the tutorial. I just realized something. Her eyebrows are done. Let me do my eyebrows and I'll be right back. All right, let's get back into why. Always this. Why? Why? Got it. What's next, girl?
Blend in with that pink color, which I'm now blending all the way in my crease.
Oh, Supreme. Okay. Take Supreme in that Jackie Aina palette if you have it. If you don't, it looks kind of like a fair hot pink color. It's this one right here. So if you have something similar to that, use that, and I guess we're just gonna go lightly on our eyeball.
Lighter shade.
Oh, she built it. Okay, we're gonna put on more. She built that thing up. Okay. Put that pink on there, girl. Put it on there. I think that's good. What's next?
piece.
Okay.
So now I'm doing that. I'm taking the shade right next to that, which is more of a burgundy kind of shade.
Okay. Darker on the inner corner too? All right. Oh God. I feel like I need maybe a smaller brush. This is actually the brush that came with the Jackie Aina palette. So I'm gonna use the flatter side. I feel like this is a lot smaller. Oh, that's a hard brush though. No, I don't like that. All right, we're just gonna go with what we were doing before. And blend it like you've never blended before. Oh, I don't like that. I think I did something wrong. You know what? It's okay. It's just because I'm losing that pink we used before. So I'll just kind of, oh God, I'm making it worse. Okay, it's fine. We'll just keep going around the crease here, right? All right, what's next?
It's absolutely beautiful.
Dark chalk, oh, credit. I don't like this brush. I feel like it's so big. I don't know why I'm so brush conscious right now. Maybe it's because we're getting better. I'm gonna use the one that we've been using because it's got that tapered end on it, and I really feel like it's gonna be my best bet for keeping things pointed. And she just packed that on in the corner here to deepen it, she said. And tiny strokes. I see what you're doing. We got this. We got it, cousin. Bam, look at that. That's pretty. I just need it like right here maybe to blend out. And I'm gonna use the brush we used before. Oh my Jesus. It's fine, we'll clean this up. We'll clean that up in a little bit. Wow, I hate this so much. Maybe it's not that bad. Maybe it's not as bad as I think it is. Hers looks fantastic and mine looks, it just looks so like deep. Let me just add some more brown. All right. I don't hate it actually. This could be cool. This could be cool. I'm gonna give it a second. I'm gonna go back in with that pinker color, the second one, and I'm gonna just kind of blend this out a little bit. Maybe if I have a little bit of a wider palette, then I can make this deeper look a little bit more visible. I don't know why this is turned into this weird situation. Like, why are you doing this? Why is there a little whoop?
Halfway.
Just blend it out. Just get a clean brush and blend. That's it. Let's just keep going. It's so deep in her eye.
That's what she said.
Okay, here's the deal. I'm gonna use the brush that actually came in the palette, and I'm gonna use the smaller end because mine doesn't look deep enough. So I'm gonna just pack this brown on and then blend it out. Yeah, that seems to work a lot better.
Barely.
We are getting somewhere. I'm just filling in where those little gaps are. What is next? Jesus. Concealer. Okay, this is gonna be great. This side is clearly further out and up. Wow, Gavyn.
Oh, Lord.
Oh, Jesus. It's okay. We can fix this. Okay, so I need to bring the concealer in just a little bit, like here and up here. And then it kind of tapers down like this. Look at that, all just from my eye watering. Thank you, anatomy. Gavyn's anatomy. And then this came inward. All right, how do we do this halo thing?
And I'm taking this light color, which has a beautiful sheen to it, and I'm gonna press this only in the middle part.
Okay, just in the middle part. Pressing down the middle and then fade into the darkness.
Darkness, everybody!
I don't know what that means, but she does, and she's the one teaching us today. So, ooh, okay, wait, we're not there yet. We're almost there, but we're not there yet. And now what do? She's taking that Supreme. We're gonna grab a lot of that and put it here, right? Kind of along the edges. Oh, that's fun. Oh! Ew! Ew, ew! Let's do the other side. Okay, what next? Big wig on the edges. Okay, just outside of the pink color here and on the inner corner. What's next?
Tap It kind of makes everything look good.
Magic!
So the eyeshadow guards. And you can
Okay, wait. So I'm gonna do this because mine is a little messed up. Where the cut crease is, I'm gonna use that brush again and the brown, that credit color, and I'm just gonna go carefully over the top of this cut crease so that it looks a little bit more defined. There, like that. And I think that was it. I'm gonna put a little bit more brown on the inner corner just to be safe. Oh, and I do wanna clean this off a little bit. The reveal. Ow, 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 ow.
That's it!
Ow! Yes! Yes! I'm using this from now on. That's how you get the shit. Tape. What's next? What is next?
really
Eyeliner
I'm gonna use
along the lash. So now I can do like this. And literally just follow this line. How dare!
because if you struggle for creating like a straight line,
I
you
do,
just
I
struggle.
struggle. What's next?
So
I
much
still
eyeshadow
don't
is
have-
like a perfect brown pencil for
I don't have
eyeliner. It's like
brown
a really
eyeliner,
warm
so
brown
we're just
pencil,
gonna
which I
leave
think
that
only
blank.
$3. It's absolutely
Okay.
worth getting.
She's going in with
Something
credit.
matte.
Okay, I'm using this kind of pencil-y brush that I got from the Sephora pack, and she's just smoking out this bottom line. Okay, and then she's smudging it with some of the purple, and I feel like I need kind of a fluffier brush, but I don't want to overdo it, so I'll just use the same one. Okay, Shookington. She's using that. This one's really glittery, so I don't want to use too much. Mascara, boom pow, and then
When you use some setting.
lashes. I'll be right back because it's gonna take me like 30-45 minutes to get them on. So. Okay, so it only took me 20 minutes to get my lashes on. I did some blush, a little bit of contouring, and I think I want to do like a nude lip because the face is doing so much. I have this kind of brown color from Maybelline. It's like it's number 657, and you can get it at any major drugstore, I think, but I use this often. It's like a nice subtle brown, and I'm gonna gloss it. This is the final look. You know, I was very nervous at the beginning and the middle and kind of towards the end. I got real nervous, but this looks fire. It's not an everyday look. It's definitely like if you're going to a holiday super glam party situation and you're having like a nice simple black dress or something like that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, make sure you give me a thumbs up so I know to keep on creating more Makeup Monday stuff because I don't want to create anything that you don't want to watch. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for watching this video. I would love to have you in my community of cousins. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and I will see you guys in the next video. I gotta find something to do because this beat is fire. I feel like I need to go caroling or something. Who wants me to show up at their door singing some jingle bells, you know? Jingle bells, a jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey! Santa, I heard you were looking for hoes.